Hey guys, we are at Aldi's in Germany and we found some great gluten-free finds. Cora, what did we find?
We found cookies.
Gluten-free cookies. We found a special Häagen-Dazs. And we found, oh no, they're spilling. Oh no, they're spilling. Gooseberries. What is a gooseberry? We gotta wash them.
Yeah, I'll hold them so they don't spill.
Okay. A bucket of gooseberries for Cora. We're gonna do a...
They're not gonna eat it for you, Mom.
Okay. Gooseberries for Mom. What do you think they're gonna taste like?
I don't want to taste them.
We'll find out.
Hey guys, today you're watching Cora's channel. And we're gonna try all the stuff that we got at
Aldi's. What's up first?
What's this?
It's a gooseberry. What do you think? Was Snow White onto something?
Yes, gooseberry pie.
And this is what the gooseberries look like. And we washed some that look really tasty. We got some delicious fresh fruit at Aldi's. Gooseberries and strawberries, and then we found gluten-free cranberry white chocolate cookies and this juicy white peach and raspberry. How are the strawberries?
You know the answer.
So what about those gooseberries though? You're afraid to try it. It was good? Great.
I mean the inside, I didn't quite like the outside. They like the filling and the seeds.
They just look like giant currants. Alright, so after we tried the gooseberry, the flavor's a little bit like a kiwi. It's sweet, a little tart.
So I don't like the skin part, but like the inside filling part I love.
The skin's, it's a little chewy, right? It's a little bit tough.
And then a little sour.
Pretty interesting. Are you ready to try the other two things we got? Alright, cranberry white chocolate gluten-free butter cookie. Good? Too good to give a response? So I think the cookies are good. Oh, and they're fair trade. That's great. My half. And the only thing left to try.
Ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
You know, tomorrow I'm gonna have a whole cookie.
They're pretty good.
I love them. I wish I could have a whole cookie right now, but I'm having ice cream. No dessert, you know.
I think I like the chocolate cookies that Aldi's has better.
It's kind of still a little hard.
Can you taste the peach and the raspberry?
Not yet. There we go.
So we saw this flavor in Aldi's catalog. I think it came out in the States already. We were super excited. Went to Aldi's, wasn't there. Went to Aldi's again to buy some minutes for the phone. By the way, Aldi's has a super cheap phone plan. And lo and behold, the ice cream was there.
Probably so we went in the afternoon, so it's probably all about out, you know?
Yeah, last time. So we had to hustle the mile home and get that ice cream in the freezer.
We're gonna go to cake, you know?
I would like to try it as well.
Of course. Have you had it before?
A big juicy scoop, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Oh, wow.
Didn't think I like it so much.
It's a very strong flavor.
Very good too.
I was expecting like a sorbet, but oh wow. That was a hunk of peach. That was really good. All right, well, those are our Aldi's finds. Fresh fruit and gluten-free treats. Here is a close-up of the ice cream. You will see a nice chunk of juicy peach. The raspberry is swirled throughout. It's a really, really rich ice cream. Or what are you buying today?
Sushi.
We are gonna try
This one.
Aldi Sushi. It's on sale. What could go wrong with $1.99 Euro sushi?
Maybe these two I'll skip. The rest I think I might do.
Our Aldi Sushi and taste test. It's good? We found in Germany sometimes there's different ingredients in the sushi. This looks pretty good though.
I wish I had tamago though.
I know. And the other pack, sushi.
Also, Mom, if you're not starving, I might have the bottom row.
Sure.
Or I'll have one and you can have the other of those.
Well, I was gonna wait and see if there were any that you didn't particularly care for. Then I would eat those. So trying Aldi's in the Aldi's
In that
parking
case,
lot.
I don't particularly care for these two.
Okay. You don't like the EB?
No.
No shrimp. We just finished. Cora just finished Irish dance, so she's starving. Can't even make it home for lunch. So a quick Aldi snack.
Although I didn't have milk with my cereal.
Yeah, milk would have kept your belly a little bit fuller, huh? You don't have to rush, kiddo. Can I try one?
Sure.
I want to try the cream cheese fish. Looks good. Not bad. A little bit light on the fish eggs, but good flavor. It's a smoked salmon. What do you think?
I liked it to make sure that I like the smoked salmon.
Good? All right. It's Aldi Sushi. Not bad.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe for more fun videos.